All right, guys, this is 2018 Leaf Metal Draft Football. We're doing a one-box break. There's 5 autographs per box. 5 autos per box. We're doing 2 random last name letters per spot. I've taken out all the letters that are not in the break. So there's no X, there's no Q, there's no Z. I think there's no U or Y. So all the letters that do not have a card to represent them have been taken out. So there's only 18 total letters. There's 9 total spots. So everybody that's in on the break is getting 2 random last name letters per spot. And that is Robert V down to Elizabeth C. Let's copy all those names and bring you guys over here to random.org. Paste everybody in twice. And go 9 times on the random. As always, good luck, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9th, and final time. Good luck. 9. 9 times. So Elizabeth C is up top. Keith B is down bottom. Let's copy all those names. Take it back over to our last name letter spreadsheet for the metal, which is all the way down here. And let's paste everybody in. Make those names a little bit bigger so you can see them better. That's a little better. All right, and there we go. So these are your last name letters for the 2018 Leaf Metal Draft Football. 5 autos per box. Thanks again, guys, for filling this one. Appreciate it. And good luck, everybody. In fact, let me see what I got here. Throw in a couple extras here. Let's go letter M. Let's go letter E. E is in there, right? Yep, E's in there. And we'll go letter B. So 3 bonus cards going in before we get started here. So first up, bonus rookie card. This is Blake Bortles, letter B. Bring this down a little bit there. There we go. Blake Bortles, score rookie, letter B, going out to Elizabeth C. A little Bambino bonus. And letter E, Mike Evans, rookie from Tampa Bay. Goes out to the letter E, and that is Robert V with the Mike Evans Turkey Red rookie. And letter M, Steve McNair, rookie. A little throwback. Steve McNair. So that's the letter M, and that is Robert V as well. So congrats on those bonus hits, guys. I'll throw in some more. I got a few more bonus rookies we'll throw in on the Elite or the Contenders, whichever one we do next. So, all right, here we go. Leaf Metal Draft Football. Good luck, guys. Joanne, you think you were in it? All right. Hold on. Okay. The only thing I got from you tonight were all for the Contenders breaks. Yep, all these. Yep, I got 3 orders from you. They were all for the Contenders football. Yep, sorry, Joanne. Yep, those were all for the Contenders football breaks. I'll go back and check again after this, but yep, I'm pretty sure they're all showing up as Contenders football. All right, here we go. Box 1 in the break. Leaf Metal Football. Five autos per box. Good luck, guys. First up, what is this? This is the first time we got one of these, I think. Award winner. These are all on-card autos, by the way. Super nice. James Washington, W, going out to Keith B. Politnikov award winner. It's a little too dark. All right, award winners. James Washington, W, going out to Keith B. Nice. James Washington, Oklahoma State wide receiver. And number 2, we got a green. Darren Carrington II. So that goes out to the letter C, Elizabeth C. Darren Carrington II. Same thing. These are all on-card autos. That's the green emerald variation. What is that out of 5? 10. There you go. 10 of 10. There it goes. Number 10 of 10. Darren Carrington. 205-pound wide receiver from Oregon. Transferring to Utah. Nice. Wide receiver number 10 of 10. Going out to the letter C. Next up, we got a wave variation. DeAndre Goolsby, letter G. Nice. That one's going out to Robert V. DeAndre Goolsby. Same thing, man. On card rookie auto. That's the wave variation. DeAndre Goolsby. Letter G. Going out to Robert V. Very nice. And next up is De'Aaron Payne. Letter P. Another wave variation there. De'Aaron Payne. Darren Payne. Letter P going out to Keith B. Defensive tackle from Alabama. So he's probably one of the top defensive tackles in the draft. Very nice. And last up, we got a blue Touchdown Kings wave variation. This one is Cortland Sutton. Cortland Sutton, Touchdown Kings medal, letter S, going out to Jerry D. Touchdown Kings, Cortland Sutton. That's a blue, numbered 7 out of 20. Wide receiver from SMU. 7 of 20, Cortland Sutton. Very nice. So I'll give you guys a quick recap. It was Cortland Sutton, letter S, blue, number 220. Darren Payne, or De'Aaron Payne, letter P, not numbered, wave variation. DeAndre Goolsby, letter G, wave variation, no numbering. Then we had the green Darren Carrington II, green variation. That one was numbered at 10. 10 of 10. And first was the award winners, James Washington, letter W. Award winners insert. All right, so thanks again, guys, for getting in on the Leaf Metal Draft Football. Bambino Breaks. We are on to the next route.